How to sell 3D printing. Today, this is the dream of many people, and perhaps it's your dream too. The dream of making a living from 3D printing, building your own business and being your own boss. Whether you're manufacturing from home, selling at local weekend markets, local fairs, stocking your products in stores around your city, or even selling online. And after 4 years of working to help 3D printing sellers succeed with over 43,000 subscribers, we had the privilege of closely following people who made that very dream a reality. People like the ones you're about to see.
How much have you made in total?
Roughly, we've made about $45,000.
Thousands, probably. Thousands at this point, yeah.
I'd say about £8,000 to £9,000 a year.
Probably around 10 to 12,000.
4,000 in the course of a year.
An average one is like $1,000 in 2 days of work.
I couldn't put a pin in it, but thousands.
We make about $1,000 in our little tiny town a month.
We've probably made about $2,500.
Around $6,000 in 2.5 years.
I would say it's probably close to about 10,000 pounds.
Over $20,000.
I probably made $14,000.
Maybe like 30,000-ish.
And now, to be honest with you, not everyone succeeded. And that's why we dug deep to understand what was going on. We started closely following dozens of sellers, analyzing their numbers, and understanding how they think and identifying every mistake along the way. And through this process, we were able to precisely map out what separates those who achieve great results with 3D printing from those who fall by the wayside. And when we put all of this together, closely monitoring dozens of sellers, our own experiences building a 3D printing e-commerce platform, and STLFLIX itself, the answer became clear. And it was simpler than it seemed. The difference between those who succeed in 3D printing and those who don't isn't about effort. Effort, obviously, is a prerequisite, but if the person doesn't put in the effort, it doesn't work out. The big difference lies in doing the right things in the right order and through the right sales channels. Those who have this grow. Those who don't stay in the same place. But Bruno, how am I supposed to know what to do? That's exactly why, based on everything that we have analyzed and experienced, we have developed a method for you to follow, so you don't repeat the mistakes that we and so many other makers have already done. But not only to avoid those mistakes, but to follow the paths that have proven to be successful, the strategies that have generated the first sales, that have made these businesses grow, and that help so many people achieve their dreams, greatly increasing your chances of achieving success too. Because selling on marketplaces isn't the only way, and it might not even be the best one. We have successful sellers on Amazon and Etsy, but they're also doing great businesses at fairs, markets, and local stores. And each of these places calls for a different type of product and a different strategy. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. The first path, and the most powerful one here, is local. Many people think that selling online is the only solution, but there's a huge market right in your backyard at craft fairs, farmers markets, gift boutiques, and through direct sales on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. This is the path that delivers results the fastest and has enormous potential. Here's how it works. When you discover what sells well at a fair, you've struck gold, because now all you have to do is replicate that success in the next fair, in the next store, in the neighboring city. You scale it up from what you know it works. But following this path isn't just about showing up at the fair and putting what you like to print on the table. I'm tired of seeing 3D printed products tossed in the corner of a booth. Products that you find super interesting, but your customer doesn't. People put the wrong product in the wrong place. It doesn't sell. And then go around saying that you can't make money with 3D printing. But the problem was never 3D printing. It was the execution. And that's exactly what we are going to show you in the local sales course. Live over 4 weeks with Ashley Lee, Print to Profit, a specialist in local sales and craft fairs that is already helping dozens of people through her YouTube channel that you can check the content by yourself. And now it's time for you to apply her techniques to make your first local sales as well. She will show you hands-on how to choose the right product, set up the right booth, and actually make sales. I know a lot of people think, I'm afraid of showing up at a fair and not knowing what to do. Everyone is afraid of what they don't know how to do. And that's exactly what we are going to fix. We're going to prepare you. And when you know what you're doing, you will arrive confident. And that is going to change everything. The second path is through marketplaces, and here our focus is Etsy. This is the channel that puts your product in front of millions of shoppers looking for exactly what you make. Etsy is a powerful showcase for both customized and original printed products, the right place for anyone who wants to make a profit with incredible prints. We have closely tracked dozens of marketplaces operations, both the ones that have succeeded and the ones that didn't, and that's how we develop a method that helps you to avoid the most common mistakes and accelerate your first sale. There are sellers making thousands of dollars a month on Etsy alone, starting from scratch. One important thing to note, and I probably don't even need to tell you this because of what's happening in the 3D printing world, but in the United States and many English-speaking countries, copyright is taken very seriously. Selling fan art or licensed characters without authorization is the fastest way to get a takedown notice. Or worse, that's why our focus is on original designs and products with commercial licenses, which is exactly what you will find on STLFLIX. You can sell with peace of mind without any headaches. And that's exactly what we will show you in the online and local sales course. The online sales course will be live over the course of 4 weeks with me, Bruno Boas, co-founder at STLFLIX. But we know that a method alone isn't enough. You also need the right tools to put into practice. That's why, in addition to the live courses, you also get access to STLFLIX. Our library is today one of the largest catalogs of commercially licensed 3D models in the world, built specifically for those who sell, not just for hobbyists. There are over 4,000 models, and every model that reaches you has gone through a rigorous process first. To date, we have a team of 60 people involved in every release, between market research, concept creation, mechanism development, and print testing. That means that our models actually work without the problems you find in free files out there. And the library never stops growing. There are 3 new releases every week, more than 10 new releases a month, with almost every model, so you always have something new to test. Every model comes as a complete package with professional photos and videos ready to use directly in your listings, social media, or in your reseller catalog, which already saves you a huge amount of time and money. And if you use Bamboo Studio or Orca Slicer, the integration is direct. One click and the model is ready to slice. All of this with commercial license guaranteed for 4 years. STL Academy. Here is our track of recorded 3D printing courses built over the last 4 years, from beginner to advanced. If you've never turned on a printer, you start from absolute zero, learning to master your machine and stop wasting filament on prints that don't come out the way they should. But if you already print well and you want the next step, whether in design, product development, or more advanced techniques, all here too. And it's not generic content. These are professionals who live 3D printing every day, who have made mistakes, adjusted, and scaled, teaching you what they have learned in practice. So you're never stuck on a technical question alone, available for the next 4 years. STL AI. When you have a unique product, you sell more. Products no one else has, with higher margins and less competition. The problem with other AIs that generate 3D models is that they weren't built for 3D printing. They were built for games and animation. When you try to print them, they come out full of supports with no fittings and no joints. STL AI is different. Our designers create the structure, the mechanism, the fittings, the joints, everything that makes the product actually work. And the AI steps in to make that beautiful model personalized, unique, the best of human and AI together. When you have something customizable, it's not about the price of the plastic anymore. It's about what the customization is about. If it's about your family, if it's about your coworkers, these things have way more value, especially when explored commercially. There are over 50 different generators and a new one every week. You choose, customize, and the model comes out ready to print without needing to know anything about 3D modeling. It's also available for 4 years. And now, for the first time, STL Seller. STLFLIX's newest release is coming to the global market. This is our tool to save the 3 biggest problems sellers face on marketplaces. The first problem is knowing what to sell. And that's what the product finder solves. It digs up what's selling well on Etsy so you don't have to guess blindly at what to manufacture. The second problem is knowing if it's worth it. And for that, we have the calculator, which shows the real margin on each product and how much you can profit per print before you manufacture a single piece. And the third problem is creating a listing that actually converts. And that's where the AI listing generator comes in. You send the photo of the product, and the system creates the images, the videos, the descriptions, and the title, ready to publish. Today, STL Seller will also be yours for 4 years. So let me show you exactly what you will be getting today. First, you get 4 years of access to STLFLIX, STL Seller, STL Academy, and STL AI. That means the complete library of commercially licensed models, the product discovery, and the listing creation tool, all of our recorded courses, and 50 plus AI generators, all of it for 4 years. On top of that, you join an 8-week live immersion. In the first 4 weeks, you will get the local sales course with Ashley Lee and the 3D printing fundamentals with me, Bruno. In the following 4 weeks, you get the 3D modeling course and the online sales course, both of them also with me. That's 8 weeks total with 2 classes a week, one technical class on printing or modeling, and one business class on local or online sales. You learn to print better and learn to sell at the same time, side by side. But at the end of the day, how much does all of this cost? Today, if you go to our website and try to buy STLFLIX on the annual plan that comes bundled with STL Academy and STL AI, you will pay $399. 1 year of STL Seller costs $199. This gives you a grand total of $598 for just 1 year. The combined value of each live course, online sales, local sales, 3D modeling, and Print Like a Pro comes to $600. Add it all together, and that's $1,198. For 4 years, it would be $4,792. Except today, you are not gonna pay $4,792. You are not gonna pay $1,198, which would be the price for just 1 year. All of this will come today to a single investment of $679. And even so, if you're still wondering whether this investment is really worth it, I have one last piece of news and one of our most special bonuses. Creality is going to give back the entire value you invested in this offer in discount coupons for you to get your own filament. You will get 24 $20 coupons for purchases over $100, plus 2 $100 filament coupons for purchases over $500, all to use at the Creality store. Add it all up, and that's $680 in filament discount. The money that comes in here today goes back into your hands as filament discount, the raw material you were already going to need to run your business. But now, here's the most important part of all of this. These coupons are not unlimited. There's a limited number of them reserved for this offer, and once that batch is gone, it's gone. There's no restock, let alone a next batch. That means that if you wait, you risk losing your access and no longer having any filament coupons available. So if you join now, you can get your spot in this limited anniversary batch from STLFLIX before it runs out. So click the button below and get your access right now. The people that you saw in the testimonials at the very beginning of this video also made a decision at some point. The decision to stop waiting for the right moment and just get started. Because the right moment doesn't exist. There will always be 1,000 reasons not to go after what you want. So if having your own 3D printing business is what you're after, whether selling at fairs, in stores, or online, this is the best path available today to take you where so many others have already gone. So don't hesitate. Click the button below, get your access, and let's keep going together on this mission to make a living from 3D printing.